Okay, I'll start. Hello, I'm Dongsun Kim. I will do discussion class today. So, first of all, I am sorry. Uh, as soon as this class is over, I have to go to meeting with ADD. So, in hurry. So I have to discussion in online. So, discussion may be not be smooth, but I hope you can follow along. So. We along the general arrangement in professor and the student lecture. The pictures is drawing showing drawing the of the general arrangement of fish boat, GA of the industrial barbet, and then cargo ship is. You can see the right picture. So you can see the drawing are really complicated. So in these drawings, there are conventional for symbols and lines and that, so that the person who draw and the viewer can understand each other. So you, if you do not know this symbol or lines in advance, you will not understand most of the drawings, including the general arrangement. So that is really, oh my God, yeah. So today's first discussion will be time to learn about the representative lines used in general arrangement drawings. So yeah, let's discuss and match the line to be used in the description on the left. So these are very easy, but really important conventions. Yeah. Oh.
I think like the center of the figure might be the thin dashed line because that was like what usually appears in SolidWorks when we draw it. So maybe it could be the thin dashed line if it's consistent.
Please repeat.
I think
Yeah.
there are two thin dashed lines.
Dash line. Yeah.
I think the perspective direction of the cut surface is the one, the thin dashed one plus the arrow line. Yes.
So I give you some or
I think shape of individual part of important structure will be thin dashed line because when we use CAD, dashed line is for used individual part. there is two individual parts of here. Okay, I will change my
Yeah.
answer. There are two dashed line, thin dashed line and thick dashed line. So important part will be thick, and other invisible parts will be thin dashed line.
Here, right?
I think like the arrows are used for the dimensions. I'm not sure, like, yeah, you usually use like write a number between the arrows, so it can.
In my opinion, the appearance of the cut surface might be the thick solid line, the bottom one. Yeah, bottom one, thick solid line.
Oh,
Yeah, and similarly, maybe the subsection boundary can be a thin solid line. Lastly, the well lines could be the wave line, I think, using the other students' idea.
Yeah, it is an answer, but most of them fit well, but need to change the route line and the subsection boundary. The part subsection part is apparent use the wave line, and well line is use thin solid line. So the proceeding lines bring some of the lines used in the design. If you want to understand the design drawing, you will need to know more line conventions. So, and since CAD is mainly used these days, so lines are sometimes represented with various colors. And next one is the drawings that are commonly used among the type of drawing used in ship design. The drawings are commonly used are general arrangement, general construction plan, midship section, well expansion, and the capacity plan. So the general construction plan shows the whole steel arrangement of the whole central line cross section and the long and the plan view of the each deck. And the midship section is cross section of the engine compartment on one side and the hold section on the other. And fourth is the shell expansion. So shell expansion is drawing necessary to cover the suitability in new or replacement construction of the shell. And last one is capacity plan. Capacity plan indicate the volume of each window and tank. So the various ship drawing type each have their own purpose and application. In the second discussion, let's discuss the purpose and application of the general GA. So the two items may overlap a little bit, so feel free to tell me. So yeah, among the many drawings, what do you think about the purpose of a GA? In what situations it is likely to be used?
제가 아는 동안에는
So I guess like the main thing would be to kind of identify the important components and the functions so that the designer can have a good overlook of what's going on in the ship. And kind of see or check if the functions are like balanced well together or if they contradict each other. So you have to kind of find a good balance between the components.
Maybe one of the purposes is to check what kind of component we can put in the ship, like how many beds or lobby or stuff like that.
Well, I think in class we learned that it could be different for each type of ship depending on the purpose. So for example, if it's a cargo ship, we learned that general arrangements help people identify when or where to, how the cargo should be loaded on and off the ships. So maybe that could be an application to kind of handle, figure out how they should handle the cargo.
So too many noises. So yeah.
Building cargo for cargo ships.
Yeah. So, yeah, so I summarize the purpose and application of GA around the, many examples. So the purpose of GA is the process equipment and plan or multi-view of drawing and elevation drawing or information from model view, including 3D view. And application is the verification and verification or orientation, integration and building and experiment is the you can see the each part. Yeah. Okay. It's and so thank you for listening. Yeah.
Okay. That's it for today. See you Thursday. Okay, sir.